Hi guys, so today we are looking at this, which has got nothing to do with a well-known reality star. But this is the Primark Nudes Highlight and Contour Kit, which comes in at a grand total of £8. So in this, there's a contour stick duo, a highlighter stick duo, a brow highlighter, and a blender duo. So the Kardashian collection, just for comparison, I believe is like $48. And the products are 0.9 grams each. These are 2 grams each, apart from the brow highlighter, which is 4. So definitely getting more bang for your buck, shall we say, and less bucks too. Securely packaged. Now I will say there was no testers out for this, so we'll see how this goes. Right, so let's just pop everything out actually. I hate that noise. So does the sidekick. Right, so we've got the Cream Contour Duo. Okay. That looks okay actually. I was expecting it to be really orange, but so far, so good. The lighter shade actually does look pretty good and not orangey, so that's promising. And they seem really nice and creamy actually going on and blending. Ooh, okay. Highlight duo. Well, that's never highlighting me in a million years. So, no. And then we've got, oh, we've got a pearly one. Okay, that actually will highlight me. Ooh, exciting. And again, they feel really creamy. And then the brow highlight is just a nice icy white. So, okay, that's pretty cool. The brush, I never was a fan of this whole thing. Sponge on a stick. The brush feels quite soft actually. Maybe a little bit flimsy, but, you know, let's get in and see what happens. So I haven't set my makeup today. I haven't done any contour because I knew I was playing with this. So, yeah. No, that's the dark end. I don't like that there's no labelling to tell you which end is which. But other than that, you know, can't knock it. I think the packaging actually looks quite classy, really. So let's just kind of go in quite lightly initially, just to see how this goes. I feel like I'm just rubbing my foundation off with this brush. I don't think the sponge is any better. Okay. Where is my foundation brush? Foundation brush is my favourite thing for blending in cream contour, especially if it is a little bit dark looking, because it'll sort of blend it in by adding a little bit of the foundation colour too. So let's see how it works just going straight in with a brush, because honestly, this is my Nancy Flawless foundation brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's so soft, it's so dense. Okay, I might have went a bit over the top. Oops. Okay, can't really mock that. So these are being really blendable and really quite nice. And you know, okay, I could have went in with a lighter hand, This is a heavier contour than I would normally do, but actually I'm not hating it. I think once I've got blush on and things, it'll look totally fine. So that's interesting. So I don't normally contour my nose, but I'm kind of curious now. Has anybody seen that stupid thing on Facebook, what you would look like as a Hollywood star? I got too curious and I put my picture in it and it made my nose smaller. And then I put in a second picture and it done the same thing, so it really doesn't like my nose. Or that's just like a totally bog standard Hollywood thing now that people get their noses done. Okay, no, I do not like contouring my nose. Should have stuck with what I knew. Because now I just look like I've got a dirty line on my nose. Okay, I can fix that in a minute. So let's try the highlighter. So we're obviously going in with the curly end because that other end would just look scary on me. So I went in quite heavy there. But when I put on just a tiny bit, it looked almost the same shade as my skin, so I don't know, I feel like I'm going to zoom you guys in a second so you can see. I'm not really seeing the highlight, and also it feels like my foundation's rubbed off slightly there. Let's try the other side and I'll show you up close. See what I mean? Like that first application, it's not really showing up for my skin at all. And then that's quite a thick layer of a cream product, especially this is quite soft and creamy. And yeah, there, we've disrupted my foundation again. So, not loving that. Which is a shame, but, you know, we're reviewing it for a reason. So I've got the brow highlight, which is going to be interesting with my fringe, which is getting to the stage where it needs a trim. So it's okay, it's nothing special. And this is a sharpening pencil and it looks a really weird size actually, so that's going to be weird and annoying. My eyebrows need a bit of a tidy up actually in the plucking department. I know, before any comments. Very natural to try and use it as an inner corner. Oof, that's lifted that. Okay. Right, let's zoom out. I mean, overall I can give you my verdict on this kit already, which is it's not, for all that the price looks really good and the quantity that you're getting compared to the Kim Kardashian one is much better. I don't like the blending tool. I felt like it was too flimsy to blend and this was too stiff and it felt like the foundation was getting rubbed away. I did like the contour stick, but there's only one end of it I can really use. So, you know, I mean, I guess if I was really light-handed with the dark side, I might be able to get away with it. Because blended out, you know, it's going to start to look similar. The highlight shades, you know, I'm never going to get any use out of that. I'd like no idea what that would ever be for me. This looked pretty, but it's too subtle, and by the time you try and build it up, it disrupts your foundation. The eyebrow one, I think, is nothing special. It makes a very, very kind of, you know, natural inner corner highlight. So in general, I do see myself possibly reaching for that for an inner corner highlight and playing with that highlighter again. But, you know, that's 2 products out of effectively a 7 product kit, you know, because you've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I only like 2 of them for £8. So then it's, would I pay £8 for like 2 grams of a cream contour? So would you pay £8 for that? I don't know. I'm still going to come back and just see how this wears during the day. I am going to set my T-zone and put some blusher on as well. But at the moment, if you're looking at this kit, for me, it's not worth the money. Maybe if you're a bit darker, it might be more worth the money. But if you have difficulty with oily skin and using cream products disrupts your foundation, then again, probably not. But let's see how we get on. The time just now is 12:10 and I will check back in later. Hi guys, so it's just after 11:30 and I am back. As you can see, my contour has held up reasonably well. It has faded down a little bit, although given that I went a little bit maybe overboard putting it on, it's not the worst thing. The highlight on my cheeks, I just gave up and put on normal highlight because I wasn't enjoying that at all. And then the inner corner highlight, I've got a little bit of it left, and the brow bone highlight is definitely still there, but I don't love it. To be honest with you, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I wear powder eyeshadow all the way up because I just use it to set and kind of even off this area. So it's not blended particularly well because of that. And it is quite a stark white shimmer, which isn't my favourite choice for a brow highlight. So overall, what I think of this kit is the tool, the blender applicator. I don't really like it. I think it's next to useless. The brow highlight, I'm not enjoying it actually. For all that it was a really bright highlight and you could see it, it's too white, it's too stark. I don't like it. And I think if you were any darker than me, it's just going to look even more stark. And that's just kind of weird. The highlighter duo, just, for me, complete washout. One colour is just utterly bizarre. I can't imagine that working as a highlight on anybody. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just a bit strange. The contour, I like it, but it's £8. So if they brought the contour out on its own, maybe I would consider it. But for this kit, I would say it's actually a pass for all that it looks like a bargain. Also, the sponge, just in case anybody's wondering, I believe it is latex because there's a warning on the back that it contains latex. So if you have an allergy, you might not be able to use this anyway. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this. If you've got any questions about it, please leave them down below and I will get back to you. And I will catch you guys later. Bye.